Hello my art friends, this is Ingrid Hyde. Welcome to my art channel, Success-Based Art. Welcome to Mr. Picasso Head Sculpture, Part 2. The supplies you will need to complete Part 2 are the painted and completed armature of your Mr. Picasso head. It should be stiff and ready to apply glue. You will also need cardboard, some Elmer's glue, a permanent marker, and a pair of scissors. You will begin by drawing your shapes on your sheet of cardboard using a permanent marker. Because one of the style characteristics of Cubism are using geometric shapes, you will draw simple shapes like circles, squares, triangles, ovals, rectangles, or any other type of simple, easy-to-draw shapes. These geometric shapes will represent the parts of the face, such as the eyes, the nose, the mouth, cheeks, eyelashes, and even some ears. You will then need a sharp pair of scissors to cut out your geometric shapes. It will take some time and effort. It will be easier if you cut small pieces at a time. Once your cardboard shapes are all cut out, you will then need to think about where you're going to place your eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and other shapes. Because this sculpture is a Cubism portrait, you will need to have a front view and a side view, and you will need both sides of your sculpture to have shapes. You will glue your cardboard shapes with a fairly large amount of Elmer's glue. Hold your cardboard shapes in place by pressing firmly until the glue is dry enough to keep the shapes in place. Repeat this process until all your shapes are attached to your sculpture armature. If you are having trouble attaching some of your pieces, you may ask Mrs. Hyde for help. She will then attach your leftover pieces using her hot glue gun. You will then set your sculpture aside to dry. Make sure you place it in the designated spot for the sculptures. It will be ready to paint by the following week. Please pick up and throw away all your cardboard scraps and return all the supply items to their appropriate locations.